Hey everyone, this is Devin from Visions, and today on Cash Clips, we're talking all things fraud. All right, so you've been hit with fraud. Take a deep breath and take the time to figure out exactly what's been impacted. Is it your account number? Is it your credit card number? Your debit card number? God forbid, your social security number. Once you figure out exactly what's been impacted, you can start thinking about your next steps. So let's say it's your credit card. First things first, contact your financial institution. Let them know that there's been an issue on your card. Maybe you noticed it in online banking. Maybe you swiped your card and you got declined. Get that card shut down as soon as possible, because once that's done, chances are you're not going to get any more fraudulent charges put onto your account. Now, maybe your debit card's been impacted and your account balance is run dry. Chances are your financial institution can give you what's called provisional credit. Now, this is a credit to your account that while they research the issue, you have money that you can fall back on. So don't necessarily worry about your rent check bouncing or how you're going to pay for dinner that night. More than likely, you're going to find a way to get covered. Same thing with credit cards. Once that card is shut down, if you report that fraud, they can typically debit that right back onto your account balance. So don't sweat it so much. Contact your financial institution. That's your first step. So we've talked credit and debit cards. Let's talk about if there's been an issue with your account proper. So maybe you're scrolling through online banking or the mobile app and you see an ACH withdrawal that you don't recognize. Those are things like when you pay your utility bill or your energy bill, maybe your phone bill. That's something that's actually tied to your account number proper and not your credit card and not your debit card. Now in this instance, what you're going to want to do is call up your financial institution or maybe even stop by. What they'll do is they'll pull up that ACH number that was withdrawn from your account and they can put a stop to that. So that way you can't have any more recurring transactions. Sometimes it's as simple as that. You might not need to shut down your account altogether. Now, if things are really bad and you're getting hit with, withdrawals from all sorts of places that you don't recognize, they may close your account and open up a new one, but that process usually doesn't take that long. Let's talk about the big one, something on your credit report that you don't recognize. Now, first things first, give it a closer look. It could be that you just have a credit card with one of the big box stores, and instead of that store's name on your credit report, it's just the financial institution that they do business with. Worst case scenario, it is something that you don't recognize. In that case, you want to contact one of the three main credit bureaus. That's Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They can put on a credit freeze on your account. Now, what this means is that before anyone tries to take out a new loan or credit card in your name with your information, you need to give authorization. So they'll contact you. They can't even pull your credit at all. At the same time, you should go to identitytheft.gov. Now, they can actually do a full identity theft report for you, and that will help you get locked down for the future. We've talked losses, let's talk recovery. First things first, check out fraud insurance. You may already have it, whether it's through your financial institution or maybe it's even bundled into another insurance policy, like your homeowner's insurance. This coverage can help recoup some of your potential losses. And if the losses are substantial, consider reaching out to a tax professional. Depending on the severity of the loss, some of these may even be tax deductible. And finally, reach out to a financial counselor. They can help you determine your next steps, whether it's connecting you with preventative services for next time, or even just to find out the resources that are available to you. If I'm going to leave you with anything in this video, it's the knowledge that prevention is the best protection. So watch out for common scams. If you get an unsolicited text message or email with a link in it, just don't click on it. Delete the email, delete the text. On that token, if you see one of those questions on social media, what was your first car? What's your favorite pet's name? Don't answer it. Just leave it, because that can be used in password recovery to help steal your information. And finally, change your passwords often and don't use the same username and password for multiple accounts. Still have questions? Reach out to your financial institution. That's what they're there for. And if you liked the video, like and subscribe. We got a lot more great content. I'm Devin from Visions, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of Cash Clips.